the repetition of every day. Suppose if something repeated means or divided by that factorial. Correct? Now we go for the circular permutation. Circular permutation, suppose sitting in a round table or making any jewelries. If you see jewelries means what? Off side is same fashion, side is also. That is where repetition case will come. Then permutation in circular model. How you will do? Sitting in a round table, arrangement in round table, these all will come in circular permutation. When is your exam? You don't know. That is 9 to 10 o'clock. You should come by 9 o'clock. All of you should open your videos. Don't tell network issues like this, mic issues, something. So throughout 1 hour should be off on your videos. Then by 10 o'clock you have to submit. Don't tell network issue like this. Otherwise after this it won't allow you. In between sometime I will take the attendance. You have to give the attendance. Attendance time also should be inside. Full time you are inside actually, not unknown attendance time. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, could you tell the pattern of the exam once?
MCQ only fully.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
25 MCQ from first unit, unit 1. Same thing. Previous semesters how we have done, same thing only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. அது எங்கேயுமே ஸ்கேன் பண்ணிடுங்க வேற எங்க ஸ்கேன் பண்ணுங்க ஒன்லி என்ட்ரன்ஸ் போட்டோ ஓகே circular permutation in this one point you can fix actually this point then you can see come to this actually always you can fix one point then sitting in a round table. In this also you will get repetition. That case I will tell you. If you are making it change something, beads. If you beads means what? Suppose if half of the sides is what direction, what model. Suppose if you take one bead means what? Half of is one side. Same thing also you will have the another side also. If you have some beads or jewelry means what? That is also circular permutation only we take. So first we can fix one point. You can come to the circular point. So means what? Always circular permutation means what you will get n minus 1 factorial. One point you should fix actually. Then you can sit around the circular table, round table, fix arranging round table, making a jewelers. Jewelers is different case. That is also circular permutation. That I will tell you. Circular permutation means what you get? N minus 1 factorial. Normally n arrangements means what? N factorial you will get permutation, NPN. You have a n objects, n arrangements means what? NPN you will write. But in circular permutation, when setting a circular round table means what? NPR is n minus 1 factorial. In this, suppose if it is repetition, suppose if you are making a chain or some design chain, if you take means what? This half of it is the beads colors, red, blue, yellow, this one. The same pattern also they will follow it. Right or wrong? Jewelers, if you see any jewelers means what? Half side is what design, same design they will have a necklace and everything. If you see designs, some bead colors, if you use beads, suppose red, yellow, green means what? Here how many colors here? The same. Suppose first is red means what? Here also first they will get red. That is what repetition. In this repetition case, what you will do? N minus 1, 1 by 2, n minus 1 factorial. So that is the circular permutations. Correct or not? Any problem? Fixing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First unit already some PPT I sent you that you can check there also. But in textbook thoroughly what we are done in there is maybe what are the chances are there. Mappings, small MCQ, they don't go deeply. But we are taking everything. Maybe suddenly if it comes also the main exam is concentrating it. But how the MCQ will come, see. Suppose any old MCQs are there, I will send you, try to send you. But the instruction is what, don't send the MCQ. Any old MCQ if I have, I will send you. This is the first time. I will check actually. But previous like that you can prepare small questions. How the chances are 1 minute completing A to B. Suppose function you can frame like the inverse is what, or G of f of G, something small things they will ask. What is 1 to 1 or 1 to into whatever maybe we don't actually, but you can identify. But if we have base is very strong, is what you can able to complete. Don't worry. So the circular permutation is how we will do n minus 1 factorial. In this circular also permutation, repetition also comes means what, n minus 1 factorial by 2. Correct? Now we do some problems. Next we go for the combinations. Permutation is arrangement, combination is different. We both are means what, two permutations will get. We both together combination is what, only one combination. Combination is different, permutation is different. Now, one problem we do circular. Lot of problems are there. Scientific textbook, so many problems are there. Already plus 1 level. For understanding 1 or 2, I am doing it, I am living. But examples you can try to break it. That is functions. Yes. See, one problem is telling if 6 peoples, the above problem is a very good permutation problem that I am not telling. Check actually. This round table are going. If 6 people A, B, C, D, E, F are seated about a round table. So round table means what you can think for the circular permutation. 6 people A, B, C, D, E, F are seated about a round table. How many different circular arrangements are possible? First case. If the arrangements are considered the same, when one can be obtained from the other by rotation. Okay. Then next question is what? If A, B, C are female and other the male, how many arrangements do the alternatively seated sexes are alternative? So male and female alternate you can sit. Okay. Now see. What is there asking? How many circular arrangements you will get? Tell me now. A, B, C, D, E, F. How many members are there? You have to sit in this round table. How many arrangements you will get? Tell me. If we have n objects in your hand, circular arrangements, how many arrangements you will get? The round table means what is a circular permutation?
n minus 1 factorial.
So here, what is my n here? How many people in my hand?
6.
6. So how many arrangements I can get circularly if I make them? There is no restriction. As you like, you can pick A, patch A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever. One point, you can fix any one point. You can do. So what you will get?
Five factorial.
5 factorial. That is 6 minus 1 factorial. There is no restriction. Second question, how they are asking actually, suppose if A, B, C are the females, others are males, how many arrangements do the sexes are alternating? Okay. So male, female, how can you fix, he is asking. This problem you have to think as you like, you can't do. Now tell me, anyway, circular permutation means what? One point you should fix always. Then remaining you can think. Think and tell me, come on. But some condition is there. How you will do? That anyway you can keep them, ask them to sit in round table only. No doubt. We have with us round table only. But alternative, suppose one is male means one, other fellow is female. Male, female, male, female, male, female. Like that I have to get. Correct or not? If people are there or not? How you will fix? But circular permutation means always you can remember one point should be fixed. That's why we are remaining people who are arranging in n objects means what? N minus 1 factorial we are arranging. Here you can think how you will fix? Suppose if I fix a one female A, circular means A. Yes, like it because A is a female. Then what you will do? Here should be male. Here should be female. Here should be male. Here should be female. Here should be male. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining 5 people may be sit like this. Now you can see in the figure. One I fixed, one female, one fixed, A is a one fixed actually. Remaining how we will fix.
Sir, in first position 3 can come.
What?
Yeah. In first position there can be 3 members coming. Options.
I am fixing this fellow here, I am fixing. He never
Yeah.
change. Remaining 5 people, how they will change?
Yeah, so in position 1 there can be 3 options. In position 1 there will be 3 males, right? So 3 options.
No. Actually, question is you can understand. Suppose A, B, C, D, F is 6 persons are sitting the round table is n minus 1 factorial over. Now, second question is what? If A, B, C are the female, 3 members are female, 3 members are the male. Correct? Then, how can you make them sit in round table alternative male, female? That is the whole question. Now, second question itself, you can now tell me. Now, I am fixed as a actually. One thing you can take A as A or B or whatever maybe. One fellow I fixed here in one point. Remaining people, how can you arrange? Pyramid actually arrangement you can make with them. Make them to sit, ask them to sit. You can
So the first male.
How many chances are there?
Yeah, so in the first male position there can be D, E, or F. So 3 positions, 3 members can come in the first male position. So which I think you marked it as 1 in the board.
Yeah, tell me. You don't see 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, so in position 1, like where the first male is going to be.
How many males are there? How many females are there? You can think like this you can think. Forget about 1, because I am telling 5 seats are fixed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forget about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. Now we can think how many males are there, how many females are there. Among the 5 people, how do you fix? Tell me. That 1 also you can forget about it. E also you can forget about it.
Sir,
Yes.
so it will be 3 factorial into 2 factorial
Very good.
into 2.
Huh?
Into 2, because first position can be male or female. So that whole 3 factorial into 2 factorial.
That it won't come. That is
So
fixed actually.
is no like first position if you fix a male instead of a female.
What that is also same pattern
So
you can see. If you first question, if you male means what is the chance? Tell me. Then remaining 3 females, 2 males, 3 factorial.
Yeah, 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Obviously same because it's a circle. Okay, fine.
That is psychologically your feeling is what? The different gender you are seeing, but chances are what? Same or not?
So the answer is 3 factorial into 2 factorial 12.
Very good.
Yeah.
Suppose if you ask them to, okay, your logic is good. One nice way you are thinking. Suppose if I ask, suppose A is a female. Okay, the ABC means what some E F I am taking. ABC is female means what some E F means what. female, female. Your male is what? Female, male, female, male, female. Right or wrong? That chance also is what? 3 factorial, 2 factorial. Any problem, sir? So don't tell into 2. Okay or not? Now we can go for combination. Combination means what I said. We do means only one combination. Arrangement means what we can do in the arrangements, 2 arrangements. Arrangement is different, combination is different. Now we do some combination problems. Now combination is what you know NCR. In n objects, R combination is what NCR. I may write C and comma R. R should be 0 less than or equal to n. It won't go beyond n. It maybe starts with 0. PR means it won't go. Okay. Actually, when lowest study, you may study with Pascal triangle also. 1 you will get actually 1 to 1. 1 is what? 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 1. Then 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 4, 4, then 1. This is actually is what? NC0, NC0, that is what? 1C1, 2C1, 2C0, 2C1, 2C2. This is what? 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3. 4C0, that is what? If you do use binomial expansion already or small scale you studied or not, this is what? X power 1, this is what? X plus y whole square. X square plus 2xy, the coefficients. Pascal triangle already you studied or not? Remember or not? Pascal
Yes,
triangle.
sir.
This is called Pascal triangle. Actually, coefficients I can tell you. This is what suppose x plus y whole cube means what? NC0 x2. Sorry, 3C0 x2, 3C1 x square into y power 1. This is binomial expansion. Remember or not? So this fellow is equal to what? 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3. This is what? 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4. Correct or not? The coefficients I am telling you. So already you have studied Pascal triangles. I am not concentrating that much. Correct or not? And next is like this. You can do. No? We can do one problem see. Class start. Now we can see. Now we can see. Form a club consisting of 6 men and 7 women. 6 men, 7 women. In how many ways can select a committee of? One question. I have in my hand I have 6 men, 7 women. From this I want to select actually different committee I want to form. Actually it's not an arrangement, committee. This is is the combination. Okay, so you have to use combination problems. You try to understand which problem you are attacking. Correct or not? Now, first question is what? 3 men, 4 women. Then that is 6 committee. Actually, I want to select it. Form a club of consisting of 6 men, 7 women. How many ways can we select the committee of 3 men and 4 women? Then second question is 4 persons in which at least 1 woman. 4 persons I want to select. At least 1 woman. Second, third question is 4 persons that has persons of both sexes. 4 persons that has D. 4 persons so that 2 specific members are not included. 4 persons so that 2 specific members not included. Okay, yeah. Now come on. Now, in my hand I have 6 men, 7 women. First condition is what? Company will consist 3 men and 4 women. How you will do? Come on. The combinations I want to do. Come on, tell me. Company consists 3 men, 4 women. How many men are there in my hand? How many men are there? Sir, tell me, sir. How many men available
6
in my
men.
hand?
6 men.
In 6, among the 6, how many men I want to select?
3.
So what is the combination?
6 choose 3.
Huh? Tell me, come on.
6C3.
6C3, don't tell P. Then out of 7 women, I want to select 4 women. So what is the combination? What is the combination?
Sir, 7C4.
7 C4.
C4.
7 C4. Now total combinations are what? 6C3 into 7C4.
7C4. 7C4.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I confusing? Sir, am I making any conclusion?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Clear? You are happy? So 63 into 7C4. You can find 63 is what I said. Start with 6, 3 numbers you can then divide it by 3 factorial. 7C4 is what? Start with 7, write 4 numbers divided by 4 factorial. That number you can see how you will get actually 700 ways you got. Okay. Now second question you see. Very good question. How you will do? 4 persons I want to select. At least 1 woman. How you will do? 4 persons I want to do. At least one woman, how you will do? Come on, tell me. At least one woman means what do you mean? One woman allowed, 2 women, 3 women, 4 women. Then how you will write permutation? Tell me. First take one with 1 woman.
7C1
1
into
woman is what you will write?
63.
Tell me.
7C1
Into remaining
63.
63.
Remaining 3
63.
people are what?
Men.
Men. So totally 4 members I want to select. So 7C1 into 6
C3.
C3 into 61. 1 woman, 3 men. Next, suppose 2 women. How you will do? Come on.
Sir, opposite, sir. Sir,
What
men are, sir, 6 men and 7 women, sir. So 1 woman will be 7C1 into 63.
No. What opposite? I am not getting. Achha, sorry. Thank you. 7C1, 6C.
3.
63. Very good. Now, I want to sell 2 women. How you will attack?
7C2 into 6C2.
2 women means what? 7 C2 into
6C2.
very good. 3 women. 3 women, how you will select? Three women, how you will select? Hello.
7C3 into
7C3 into
61.
61. 4 women.
7C4.
7C4. Enough. Because my computer consists only 4. Now what are the chances? How do you do the problem? Tell me. These all are the total chances. How can you say this?
Addition.
1 woman, or 2 women, or 3 women, or 4 women. How will you do? At least 4 women chances is what?
Addition.
How you will do?
Sir, addition.
Very good. That is important. Into means whole thing will collapse. Correct or not? So how you will do? At least 4 women chances is what? 71 into 63 plus 72, 63 plus 73 into 61 plus 74. These all combination will get at least 1 woman chance. You have to solve. I am not doing it. Just I am giving the skeleton of the problem only. You have to solve and tell the answer. What is the answer? 245. Where is it got? Okay, yeah. Any problem? Now you can see 4 persons that has at most 1 man. How you will do at most 1 man means how you will do? That is also 4 persons at most 1 man. So 1 man. How you will do?
1 man or 0 man?
At most 1 man. Maximum 1 man only. So 0 and 1 chances.
7C4. So 7C4 plus 7C3 into 61.
Very good. That first condition also you should remember. Getting or not? Because
Yes, sir.
0 men also you have to tell. That if you leave left means what whole thing collapse. Correct? That I left actually. Okay. Then 4 persons that has a presence of both sexes. Both sex means what you will do? There is not fixing. Both is telling. So how you will do? 4 persons I want to select. See, how can I select? 1 man, 3 women. Are you agree? Hello? Are you agree with me or not?
Sir, 6C1 into 7C3
See, it's not completed.
plus
Then the
7C4.
chance is what?
0
2
men.
men,
Oh,
2 women. Another chance is what? What is another chance?
So 3 men and 1 woman.
3 men,
1 woman.
chances are common or not? But we have to do combination. 1 man is what? 6C1 into 7C3 plus 6C2 plus 7C3 plus 6C3 7C1. Getting or not? So think and do. Don't do blindly. This is also over. Then 4 persons so that 2 specific numbers are not included. This how we will do. Tell me. Is not mentioned any. How you will do? Specific that 2 numbers are not included. The 2 numbers are I don't know how we will find out. First, that 2 persons you can separate it. Totally, how many persons are there? 6 plus 7, how much? Think and tell me. Four persons I want to form the company. In that specific 2 persons are not coming. How will you do?
11C4.
11.
C4.
11C4 means only particular two only are cancelling. I am giving this actually 13C4 minus 11C2. This 11C2 what tell me? See what he is telling. First, let us find the number of selections that containing the two specific members. After removing these two numbers can be selected. The selection, if included these two specific members removed, we get 11C2 out of 4. The selection containing these two numbers, the number of not including these two numbers 13C4, 11C2. If you remove initially two members means what 11C4 means what only particular two persons only will go. In law, any two we can get actually, any two specific, suppose A, B, B, C, C, D, E, F like this I have to get 10 actually. Okay, think actually, I will stop here. Then tomorrow we will do, there is no board I think, so some valuation is going here. We will directly go over presentation. Now come on. 539 at this is what? 539? Elaborate. Okay, then I will stop now for I'll take at this and Google.